I have never seen anything like this. It is a perfect signature of a jet.
We are approaching the target. Lights on the cockpit now. Copy that, moving into position.
Focus on the turbine damage.
4-2 plane.
The intake is badly compromised. Check the stress fractures on the leading edge.
Affirmative.
Extensive damage to the exhaust array here.
This engine has heavy corrosion. Missing parts noted. Record the serial number on that housing. The turbine blades show heavy erosion. Check the mounting brackets next.
Checking the schematic, it's under this cabling. Watch that rust.
Damage confirmed.
Watch the tension on those forward straps. Copy that, crane is holding steady. There's heavy corrosion on the turbine blades.
Check the wing for structural cracks. Let's check the turbine blades here. Heavily corroded, full of salt. We are detaching the final cable now. This engine has severe corrosion. Watch the tension on that line. Give it all you got. Clear on this side. This engine is heavily corroded. Same goes for the wing joints.
Engine damage sustained, algae on the cockpit. Copy that, initiating convoy movement now.
This wing is covered in algae. The engine's worse. The corrosion on this wing is worse than we expected. Same here. Turbine's completely seized. Look at the state of this wing. Look at the state of this wing.
The algae has penetrated the outer skin. We have extensive damage.
Get that panel off. Watch the turbine blades. Robotic arm 3 is aligned. Commencing the core sync now.